Let me ask you, how much does it cost one unsubscribe customer to your brand? We all know how much it costs to acquire a customer, but how much does it cost customer which unsubscribe from your mailing list? Hi, this is Andrew, the founder of email marketing agency as well as this YouTube channel. If you're first time on this YouTube channel, please subscribe and hit the bell, since we're releasing this kind of video every Thursday and we do short actionable YouTube videos every day. Today I would like to talk about how to convert unsubscribers or somebody who trying to unsubscribe or unsubscribing from your mailing list and convert them to the customers. So typically what you see when you receive your email, doesn't matter what kind of email, from e-commerce brand or from a business coach or from your dealership, when you receive your email, you scroll down and there's unsubscribe, which is supposed to be, and please do not try to hide it, do not try to make it very small, change your color. It should be noticeable. If people want to unsubscribe, they should see it and unsubscribe. It drives me crazy when I cannot unsubscribe. I believe I just received email from big brand and they don't have unsubscribe, which is like drives me crazy. You click on unsubscribe and this is what you receive. So you receive the unsubscribe screen and you click unsubscribe and you unsubscribe, or you click update preference and this is the window you get. So let's go to unsubscribe and click unsubscribe. And after unsubscribe, this is what you get. Just, hey, you've been unsubscribed. If you'd like to resubscribe, go to this list, use this link below. So not very attractive. So this is what majority of the brands have, and this is what they should have. I'll show you example of the brand which do it the right way. By the way, this is not the end of the video. This is just, I want to show you the right way, but how to convert people who wants to unsubscribe to customer, I will explain a little bit later. But before that, let's cover this. So this is Frank's Looks, and if you scroll down, there's two options. So first, unsubscribe or you update your preference. In this brand, we know because we used to work with this brand and we did set up their preference page. So if I click either on update your preference or on unsubscribe, it will direct me to the same page where I am able to unsubscribe. So let's click on unsubscribe. So when I click on unsubscribe, it gives me the kind of the landing page where I able to unsubscribe. This is most important here. I click unsubscribe and I can click update my preference and it will unsubscribe me. But the most important part of this page is, even if they click unsubscribe in the email, maybe they didn't want to unsubscribe, but maybe they want to receive fewer emails from you or more relevant email. So instead of, let's assume I'm interested in this brand, I want to hear from them only once a month, or let's do snooze for 30 days. So I don't want to receive any emails from them, but more realistically once a month. And I want to hear only about new product releases. And I do update my preference. So this is the right way to do it, because this is how you save that person who thinks they want to unsubscribe, and giving them power, giving them option, and they are able to update their preference. But if they want to unsubscribe, click, they have this opportunity. And typically this is what you see. This is what you see in all the brands. But there's better option what you can do here. So before let's go back to the unsubscribe page, and I want to show you a few more examples that I like a lot. So this is the Monos, the luggage brand, and when you click unsubscribe for them, on their unsubscribe page, they have, I'm not sure if they have preference. Yeah, they don't have preference page set up, which is kind of not good for them. But anyway, so if I click on the unsubscribe, what I like here on the unsubscribe page, this part, that they are kind of trying to convert their person who wants to unsubscribe. They're giving them discount and saying, hey, listen, get the 10% off. You can unsubscribe. It's your option. But here's 10% off. So this is how the person who wants to unsubscribe, and they are getting the 10% off like immediately. Here's another brand example. It's a small thing in unsubscribe page, but I personally like it and it caught my attention. So it's a Ukrainian brand. I think they just entered US market. They are I mean, I love their email content in terms of words and pictures, but I mean, I personally do not like their like design. It's too flashy. Anyway, but what I love and enjoy about their brand is you see have unsubscribe, and there's like smiley emoji for like sad face. It's a small thing, but it does work. It caught my attention. Like, it's a sad that you're unsubscribing, you know, like you don't feel sad about it, but it's like playing on your emotion. So I like that small touch, and I think it's powerful. So if you're that kind of brand that use emoji, you should try it as well. And here's another strategy from a company, Darn Good Yarn. On their unsubscribe, if you click unsubscribe, so it's a simple page, but I like how they do it here. Or do you want to just hear from us less or about certain products or topics? And they giving them like option to update their preference. So like in the first email when I was talking about friend locks, we directing manage preference and unsubscribe to one page, but in here in Darn Good Yarn, they have two separate pages, but from unsubscribe page they have a like clear call to action. Say, hey, like maybe you don't want to unsubscribe, maybe you want to just update, like hear fewer, like receive fewer emails from us, and there's option to kind of to direct them to manage preference. And now this is what I was kind of trying to sell you at the beginning of the video. So the big strategy. So they click on unsubscribe, click manage preference, and they are 100% wants to unsubscribe. So when they click unsubscribe and click call to action unsubscribe, it directs them to the new confirmation screen. And typically this is what you get. So when I click on unsubscribe here on Darn Good Yarn, so just, hey, you have been unsubscribed from this mailing list and so forth. So nothing kind of crazy. So yeah, it's a confirmation. Thank you very much for confirming that I unsubscribed. However, the better strategy, more effective, and it will add additional conversion and more revenue to your store on autopilot. So this is a Good Fair brand. By the way, they're missing image in their header, and there's no dedicated domain. But anyway, so video is not about this. So so when I scroll down, I click unsubscribe. So pretty simple. Everything looks good here. Like preference page, I click unsubscribe because I do want to unsubscribe. I click update preference, and it redirects me to unsubscribe confirmation page saying like, hey, we confirm you are unsubscribed now. However, before you go, here's a discount code, 30% discount code. And 30% is a significant discount. It's not like 5% or 10%, 30%. Because kind of this is the last chance to win them back into your brand. Because they might not hear from you anyway, because they unsubscribe from your emails. Maybe you have SMS marketing, so you can retarget them, or you need to get to, how you say, square one, and start to retarget them on Facebook, Google, but you have to pay money for that. This is kind of the better way. Just give them discount because they know who you are and they are already interacting with your brand. So give them huge discount on the unsubscribe page and see how the revenue will start trickling from this automatic strategy to convert unsubscribers to your customers. Let me know what you think about this strategy. Let me know if you want to implement it, and if you do, please tell me what conversion and how much money you earn from this kind of strategy. Thank you. Bye.